So I'm now able to switch the rotation direction of the chan. So let's check now. I go back, both chan go back together. I go forward, they go forward, so I go left. They spin different direction, so I can go left, I go right. Yeah, just pull the joystick, so also different direction. So again, backward, front way. Yeah, it's good. So I can do even the rotation also work. Now this is the code now. You can check, see here. This is the code that I have now. If I switch, so you can see how the code changed. So I pull the joystick. See, giving the right answer. Forward, left. Good, nice.